Welcome back to the channel. I have a beautiful house I want to share with you. But before we get into it, let me introduce myself to those who are new. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor, serving both North and South Carolina. I've been in real estate for over a decade as a real estate attorney, as an investor, as a team leader, as a brokerage owner, and a real estate agent. I'm here to answer any questions that you may have. Come with me. Let's go inside this over 4,000 square foot, 3-level home with a basement that I believe is perfect for multi-generational living. And this home is located in South Charlotte in the desired Palisades community. Let's go. Let's start on the outside. This home sits on 0.32 acres in the prestigious Palisades community with serene views all the way around. The outside, the exterior, is stately hardy board and stone veneer. And you see this extra long driveway. You can easily fit 4 to 6 cars in the driveway, and it is a 2-car garage. Now we're walking up to the porch. Now the main level showcases an open concept, but when you first come in, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath, and that is perfect if you have guests coming by, or you can utilize one of these bedrooms as an office as well. This is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is slightly larger than bedroom number 2. This is your foyer. You do have a linen closet in the hallway. And this is the laundry room right off of the garage. And as I said, the garage is a 2-car garage. They are in the middle of moving, so you have a lot of belongings in there. Now let's go through the rest of the home. That's the basement. We will get to that shortly. What I want you to see is it has a dedicated dining room. Perfect for holidays, family gatherings. Just envision having your family over and just hosting everyone here. The dining room at this large island. You have tons of cabinet space. You have the deluxe kitchen package with the built-in ovens. This is your pantry. This is truly a cook's paradise. Stainless steel appliances. You have the gas range, the microwave that vents out. What I also love is that they future-proofed the outlets. That's USB-A, so you don't have to worry about having a brick or anything. Just plug the cord right into the wall. And in addition to the eat and dining room, you have an eating space right here in this open living room area. This is your living room with a gas fireplace. And right off the living room, you do have a screened-in deck. We will get to that room in a second, what that door is. And you do have a fenced-in yard. Now we're going through the living room and we're about to go into the primary suite. The primary suite is located on the main level. It is perfect for unwinding. Picture coming home after a long day's work. You have a dedicated seating area in your primary suite, and you have access to this deck that is screened in. Picture morning coffees or evening sips of wine out on your deck, right off of your primary suite. Truly peaceful. Going into the primary ensuite, you have the tile shower, a large walk-in closet, and dual vanities, tons of counter space, as well as a water closet right here. So think about it. You have one generation right here on the main level. Now let's go upstairs. You have a huge loft, another living room per se. Absolutely massive. And then on the other side of the stairs, you have a large linen closet. You have tons of storage in this home. And you have this bedroom with a very sizable walk-in closet, which you will see in 1 second. So this could be for that adult child that has moved back in after college. They can have the upstairs. You have a bedroom, huge closet. You have your own full bathroom up here, as well as a large living room area. Truly multi-generational living right here. Now, what I did not tell you about this home is the price yet. It was just reduced by over $40,000, and pricing right now is $899,000. We're going into the basement. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home over 4,700 square feet. And as you come downstairs in the basement, you see that living room area. You have a dedicated dining area. You can rent this out as an apartment or have it, again, multi-generational living. Somebody could live down here and not have to worry about anybody upstairs or on the second level. You come outside, you have the built-in grill, fenced-in yard. And I recently talked to some people from New York, and they sold their very expensive home without much land, without much yard. And they were so happy to see a property with this much space that had an outdoor area. Now down here, you can make a full kitchen. You have the plumbing already installed. So you can be a full kitchen down here in this basement as well. You have a laundry room, utility sink, and then you go through, you have almost a bonus room, because this cannot technically be called a bedroom because it doesn't have any windows, but you can utilize this room however you see fit, as a bedroom, as an office, as a studio. You have this nook back here where, again, they have a desk set up, utilizing the space, and you have a full bathroom. So just down in the basement, you have 2 full bathrooms. We will see the second very shortly. And then you have this utility room right here. A truly massive home that is priced amazingly. $899,000 for over 4,700 square feet. 5-bedroom, you have an additional room. Actually, you have 2 additional rooms because you have this room right here, which again, cannot be classified as a bedroom because it doesn't have any windows. But look how large this space is. They turned it into a full room closet. Those of you with tons of clothes, that is heaven. And this is the second full bathroom in the basement area. Beautifully done. Look at this tile. And here we are looking at bedroom number 5. This is truly a unique property. Do not hesitate. Reach out to me. Number is on the screen. Perfect for those with large families and or multi-generational living. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. I look forward to helping you find that home that suits your needs. And if you're in or around the greater Charlotte area thinking about relocating, reach out to me. Or if you're moving to the Charlotte area, reach out to me. I help people both buy and sell homes. Talk to you soon.